Good morning, happy people. Today is a great day, and do you want to know why? I'm going to tell you why. Because I'm going to the beach. I'm finally going to the beach in Florida since I've been on the program. And I'm so excited. And right now, I'm waiting to pick up Kaylee. I'm sitting in front of Patterson. And I think I'm going to vlog when she comes around the corner. Joke's on you. But yeah, I'm so excited. So we're going to Clearwater. It's about like an hour and a half away from here, roughly. So that'll be fun. And based off of watching Emily Nelson's vlogs, I know of a burger joint and an ice cream shop that like we should totally try, because they said it was good and looked good in there in her vlog. So I'm down, and we're gonna take like really cute Moana pictures, or she's gonna dress as Moana and take pictures of her. Yeah. And like really cute beach selfies, and just hang out on the beach and just enjoy the day. And I'm so excited. So let's get started. Alright guys, I found her. Wait for it, wait for it. Hey, I found her. I found Moana. It's Moana. She's made her entrance.
She's only 20 minutes late. Well, 43. But who's counting?
Your hair takes up like half of the screen.
Oh, I think it's recording.
It's recording.
Okay.
We're literally over water right now. We're almost there. We just have to fly over the water, get to the other land way over there, and then we'll be there.
Oh, your camera's at 100%.
Yeah, it's a fresh new battery.
What? Look at this water. We can't swim in because this isn't clear water. Oh.
So funny.
Look, guys.
Everywhere you go, take a look at the 5 and 10. It's glistening once again, with candy canes and silver lanes that glow. It's been and I can hardly wait.
Clearwater Beach, 12 miles.
Yes.
This starts pouring to rain.
No! I want to be Moana! You said there was no rain in the forecast, Katie.
Okay, but we still have 12 miles. It could be different weather in 12 miles. We'll just have to
We're only
wait.
11 miles away from Clearwater. And this is our beach weather. Our weather beach.
Our weather beach.
It's pretty chops. This is a nice aesthetically pleasing photo. You just wiped away my aesthetically pleasing photo.
Sorry.
Only 0.6 miles from Clearwater. You know, I hear that the water is real clear.
Yep. So was the sky. Right?
Yeah, so clear, so clear.
It's unbelievable.
Oh my goodness, look at all these.
The military.
Look at all these people living their lives.
Oh, look, it's so pretty.
I wonder how many people actually live here and how many people are tourists. This is like a selfie. Oh, hi, you can see me. Is this what vloggers do?
Yeah. Are you recording that?
I am.
Guys, help me. Look, get that.
Otis. Oh, wait.
You have arrived at your destination. Route guidance is now finished.
Did you get it?
Yeah,
Get the
Otis.
sign?
Oh, wait, this water. I mean this water, this sign.
Y'all, I meant it when I said help me. Freaking got the car, not the clear. Oh, Atlanta.
Oh, I'm from Atlanta. I was not meant for the vlogger life.
No, you really were.
This is the first time I've been in one of your videos without red hair.
That's true. This is what she actually looks like, guys. But you know what's funny? When you first started in this vlog, you had Your other wig.
Oh yeah, I'm always wearing wigs.
You're just always wearing wigs.
Okay, I'm gonna turn it.
We made it! I'm so excited! We found a parking spot. All we had to do was go to another parking location. I was kind of mad I didn't cut someone off because I could have got a parking spot over there. But it's okay because we made it. I was a good person. I did my holy duty for the day.
Jesus is a friend of mine. Hallelujah. Oh, I got my...
And now we're gonna go play. Oh, I really wish you were 21 because that's a sandbar over there. And I don't know if that's just for the hotel, but like we're gonna be here a while. That's all I'm saying.
Drink. I'm sorry.
And it's okay. You can watch me drink. It's fine. That's fun too, right, guys? Tell her it's fun, right? Or tell her it's fun too. But yeah, I just wanted to say we were here.
Thank you.
Hey, Moana.
Do you mind if I take a picture? Sure. Okay. Love this.
Here we go. First steps to the beach. I'm so excited.
I am too.
I don't even care that it's raining right now. Oh my gosh. Oh, this makes my heart so happy right now. Oh, sorry. Oh. Yes! It's so pretty. Oh, my eyeball.
Oh my gosh. I just want to be... We're storm chasing.
Yeah.
So cool.
So what happened?
Well, we're in the ocean. And now there's
It came down.
Well, folks, it is currently
6:53.
and what a day!
Dark outside.
What a day! It's dark. You can still see. So, are we gonna talk about what happened?
Well, you saw the storm. That might have been the last thing you saw.
Yeah, you saw the pictures.
So we
that
were
we did
swimming.
before the storm.
Yeah. So we were swimming, and it was all fine and dandy. And like on the horizon, like where the line meets the sky.
The sky meets the sea.
No.
Yeah,
The line
where the sky meets the sea.
The line, the horizon, and I saw black. I saw a nice giant thing of blackness, and it got closer. As the more we swam, it got real close, and I was like, Kaylee, it's heading our way, and she's like, it's fine, and then it got closer, and then she's like, it's fine, and then I was like, Kaylee, it's above us, and she's like, it's fine, and then you started feeling bap, 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 bap. That is the hard rain all over your body because it is pouring and it's a tornado rain. So like the winds were going crazy, things fell over, it was hard to walk, and all of our stuff was on the sand, so we ran to grab our stuff that was already drenched anyway, ran for cover, and then booked it to the car, got to the car, drenched, everything was drenched, and then we went to eat. We went to Pearl's Beach Eats, which there was one like right where we were at the beach, but it was definitely a better idea to get farther away from the beach than to stay like a block from the beach, because it got even worse, and like it was like hella tornado beach weather, and we didn't get to go to the ice cream shop because that was right next to the one by the beach, and like I said, weather did not want us to stay at the beach. So we'll just have to come back to Clearwater when there's no tornado rain happening.
Oh, when the water's as clear as the sky. I mean, when the skies are as clear as the water.
See, we both know how to talk. So, and we did that. And then, oh yeah, so, let's see. I ate,
I did nothing.
shrimp tacos. It was delicious. Love shrimp tacos. And you had, what, a BLT?
I had a BLT. No, I had a GBLT with it's a BLT with guacamole, but I had it without the tea.
Got it. That's what the G was. I was gonna ask you what the G stood for. I didn't know what it stood for. Got it. That's
I like
best
avocados because they're healthy, and I need to, yeah.
I'm glad you love avocados. I don't think I knew this, but like, I love avocados.
Yeah, I didn't know. You're very inconspicuous about it. Yeah, so we made it back to Nora. She's a little sandy. Nora's her car.
It's a little wet and sandy, but it's fine. Everything's fine.
Yeah,
Yeah. So after we ate, we chit-chatted on the phone with my best friend for like 2 hours. And then we decided to start driving. And we were still on the phone with Des. And then Kaylee's best friend, technically Kaylee called her. But,
by accident. I meant to text her.
So then like this car turned into like, from 2 people, it turned into 4 people were in this car. Just like that. And it was like a DCP goals. Like hashtag, because it's like you're hanging out with your coworkers from Disney, but like you're talking to your best friends from home. So it's just it's great. It's just great. So yeah, what else? So then after that, dying. After that, now we're back to current. So now we're both off the phones, as you can see. Now we're updating you. We are on our way home in some traffic, but it's fine because it's like 7 o'clock at night on a Friday, so you kind of can expect traffic.
I think every DCP person has the same idea.
Yes, it's literally every person who had a day off today. Are you going back to China?
No, Patterson.
You going back to Vietnam?
Wash my hair.
Just wash my hair.
Wash my hair.
Yep. So that's about it for the update. It was a very
Wet.
interestingly wet day that was cut very short. Still adventurous, and we still got like the pictures that we wanted, but
Let's check those out.
we didn't really get to like swim.
We
Or
swam
like
for a total
lay on
of
the beach, like lay on the beach.
With bombs.
Couldn't do that either.
No. We did go underwater. I had to convince you, but well, you kind of went. You got your hair wet,
Yeah,
which is basically.
I got fully in, but I didn't like submerge.
Saw our weird tan lines on our feet. Well, have a great day. Say bye.
Yeah, this was a very short beach trip.